This video was brought to you by Wiz Robotics, inspiring future engineers.
Hello! Hello, engineers! Welcome to your very first class. I know you're about to get started real soon, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of how to sign up to Scratch if you don't already have an account. So, before we get started, make sure you open up your browser and go to scratch.mit.edu. Okay? So, Scratch is scratch.mit.edu. Now, if you're not too sure, make sure you have your mom and dad or someone to help you out to make sure that you sign up. Okay, so once you're here, you should see a website looking like this with the Scratch logo. And what you're going to do is, if you don't already have an account, click on Join Scratch. So the username could be anything you like. And we're just going to do a quick walkthrough, and I'm going to call it, with success. So we have with success, and then create a password that you for sure remember. Now, this password that you have, make sure you write it down on a notebook somewhere that you'll always be able to find it if you forget. And also make sure to write down your username as well. This could be anything you like. You can discuss it with your mom and dad and see what's a cool username for you to use. Okay. Alright, so once you have a username and once you have created a password, there you go. You can hit on to the next button and select the country where you live in. And then hit the next button, select the birthday that you're born on. And then select your gender. Now this is obviously all up to you. You don't need to select this if you prefer not to say. By all means, it is up to you and your parents' discretion. And finally, your email. If you don't have an email, make sure to use your mom and dad's email, which is totally fine because they're going to get a confirmation that you have signed up. Alright, once you sign up, that's it. You're able to get started and let's start coding. But before you do that, make sure you confirm your email, and this is something where your mom and dad can help you or someone that helped you set up your account.